Today, we're going to Innsbruck. It's such a nice drive to get there. There are mountains almost the whole way. The views keep changing as you drive. You'll see green fields, little villages, and every now and then, a beautiful lake. I always like looking out of the window on roads like this. You don't really get bored. There's always something nice to look at. The closer we get to Innsbruck, the mountains become much bigger. You can already tell you're getting close to the Alps. It's hard not to keep looking outside. Honestly, the drive is part of the experience. So before we start exploring the city, let's just enjoy the scenery for a while.
Underneath the blue sky, we're chasing time as it flies. Run over the green grass, your laughter never dies. Smell the flowers in the breeze, soft whispers through the trees. Love is painted every hue, every shade reminds me of you. Oh, every heart beats like a song. With you I know where I belong. In this world that turns so fast, let's make each moment last. Underneath the blue sky, we're forever free, dancing in the sunlight, just you and me. Life is a star.
After arriving in Innsbruck, we started exploring on foot. Innsbruck is the capital of Tyrol. It's surrounded by the Alps. That's what makes this city so unique. No matter where you look, the mountains are always in the background. The city's name actually means bridge over the Inn. It was named after the bridge that crosses the Inn River. Innsbruck has been an important crossing point through the Alps for hundreds of years. Traders and travelers passed through here long before it became the popular tourist destination we know today. Today, people visit for the same reason: beautiful scenery and easy access to the mountains.
Underneath the blue sky, run over the green grass, smell the flowers in the breeze. Life living among the stars. You came like morning light, through the dark, through the night. Every breath you make me feel love is true and love is real. Underneath the blue sky, we're free, two souls drifting endlessly. Every moment, every scar, we are alive, living among the stars. Whisper dreams on summer air. Every touch you show you care. The world stands still, our hearts collide. With every step, you're by my side. The universe fades when you're near. In your voice, the world is clear. Hold my hand, don't let it part. You are the rhythm of my heart. Underneath the blue sky, we're free, two souls drifting endlessly. Every moment, every scar, we are alive, living among the through the pain. Even when the night grows far, you and I will be the stars underneath the blue sky. Hold me tight in your arms. The world feels right. Every heartbeat, near or far, we are alive, living among the stars. Smell the flowers in the breeze. Run with me through memories underneath the blue sky's heart. Love is life among the stars.
When I see you, my heart can't stay still. Every moment gives me a thrill. Oh, I can't sleep. I see your face everywhere, in every place. I'm falling in love with you. Don't know what my heart can do. Every time you're close to me, it feels like destiny. I'm falling in love with you. Girl, my dreams are coming true. Every beat, it feels so new. I'm falling in love.